In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Google Sheets in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So from here, you need to navigate to the search bar and type for Google Sheets. Click the enter key the moment you have typed it, and that way you would be redirected to the first result. Please click on it. Okay, and you would be able to open up with this one. Okay, so if you would like to sign in your account. Okay, and once you're good, navigate to the three dots at the upper right side of it. Then scroll down and locate your cursor to cast save then share and go with install page as application. So tap on it and please rename. Okay, please rename this Google Sheets for easy identification. In my case, I'll be renaming it into Google Sheets. Then click on install to proceed and wait until a new window would appear, which is this, meaning we have successfully installed it in our Windows. So by that, please close the window. And as you can see, it is being placed here at the desktop. I mean, a shortcut of Google Sheets has been automatically created. And if you would navigate to the button search bar and type for Sheets, okay. So you can see that the best match is as an application. Okay. So here you would be able to receive a notification where would you like to pin Google Sheets to the taskbar. You can confirm it by clicking on yes, or you can simply decline it by clicking on no thanks. Okay. Once you're good, and that's it. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.